In this particular video, we are going to make our own LED street light from scratch. All right, so these are the components that we are going to use. We have the LED PCB. LED PCB means LED printed circuit board. This LED printed circuit board is what is going to give us our light output. And this PCB works on DC voltage. So whatever voltage that will be applied to this PCB must be a DC voltage. All right. Then the second component I would like to talk about is the LED driver. Okay, so this is our LED driver. This is actually what is going to give us that DC output that will power the PCB. The next thing is our power supply cable. We are going to use this as our power supply cable. This cable is what is going to help us to connect supply to the lamp. Then the next thing is the lens. This is what we are going to use to cover the LED PCB, and it also serves as a lens to properly distribute the light output that will come from the LED PCB. So all these things must be put together in a housing. All right, so this is the housing of the lamp, otherwise known as the frame. So this is what we are going to connect all the components to. All right. Then I also have this grease here. This is also a very important material that we'll be using in the process of putting our light together. Simply call it thermal grease. Most of the parts are going to be soldered, and so this will help me to do a proper soldering. I'll also be using an electric powered screwdriver that will help me to make the work fast. And then I'll also be using this crimping tool for the various connections that I'll be doing. And then this is a cable stripper. I also need this one to strip my cables. All right, so we are going to go through a step-by-step process to put our lamp together. And putting the lamp together, there are components we have to fix before the others. There are some components that if you go ahead to fix them first, fixing other components will be very difficult. So here you would have to observe the steps very closely. All right, so the LED printed circuit board we have here is designed to work on a DC output of 100 watts. So the system we are going to put together should give us an output of 100 watts that will be able to light this LED printed circuit board. Okay. All right, so here, this driver is rated 50 watts. And so we need another 50 watt LED driver in addition to the first one to give us a total output of 100 watts that will be able to power this LED printed circuit board. The first thing we'll connect in the process is the supply cable. Okay. All right, so we have this. And then we'll pass it through here. And then we secure it to the frame. All right, so now having connected the power cable, the next thing to connect is the drivers. So we are going to connect the drivers to the frame. Now we have two drivers. Each has live and neutral input, and then a protective conductor. So now what we are going to do is that we'll put together the two positive inputs to the drivers and then all the negative inputs to the driver. Then we also put together all the circuit protective conductors. All right, so here we put the two input neutral wires together, and then similarly we put the positive input to the drivers together. The next thing we do is that we connect the two neutral wires that we put together to the supply neutral, like this. And then similarly, we connect all the input live conductors to the drivers to the supply line. Then we connect all the circuit protective conductors together, and then we connect them tightly to the frame. We have positive and negative from one of the driver outputs, and then we have another positive and negative from the output of the other LED driver. All right, so we are going to connect this to our LED printed board. All right, so here we are done with the work here. So we can cover the back and then go to the printed circuit board. These are the wires we have to connect to the LED PCB. All right, so here, this is the LED printed circuit board. And then, as I said earlier, this, when powered, produces a lot of heat. And so we are going to apply a thermal grease here before we place it on the housing. So here, okay, so that is done. So we set it on the housing appropriately. Okay. The next step is to screw this LED PCB to the housing. This printed board is designed such that one of the 50-watt LED drivers will connect to positive and negative here, and then the other 50-watt driver will connect to positive and negative here. So that is exactly what we are going to do. So this one half will come here, and then this other half will come here. So this simply means that each of the 50-watt LED drivers will control a portion of the light here, and the other 50 watts will also control this portion. All right, so the next thing we are going to do is to solder the output of the LED drivers to the printed circuit board. Okay, connections done. All right, so now we'll have to check to see if our lamp will work as expected. So we connect it to supply and then we see what will happen. It's on. Here is our lamp. All right, so here that is perfectly okay. So now that our lamp is working properly as expected, we can do the final work by covering it with the lens. All right, so very simple. Our street light is now ready for installation. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please, if you have learned something new from this video, kindly like, share, and subscribe to stay connected. Thank you very much again. See you in my next video.